All right, so welcome to another brand new episode of live Forex trading with your host, Peeling Mindset. Welcome. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to everybody right here.
I have nothing but to lose to you.
Welcome. Explosive entry by Mandish here. All right. All right.
Oh, my mic was not connected. A lot of people in my house.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, how's it going?
Good. How's it going?
Yeah, no bad.
How's it going?
Yeah. Did you manage to take gold sales?
No, not really.
Yeah, I missed it as well.
I didn't even look at gold today. Wow. Right. So what Mandish is saying is he's gonna buy a $40,000 car. Okay, hey, Nepalese. All right. So the guys on the YouTube are saying morning from Coes going from Bristol. Gold's going down to 1798. That's what the boys are saying. And A Khalid is saying morning, guys. Morning. I hope you guys are doing well. Guys are doing well.
Oh my. I'm getting a mic soon, Anuj. There will be no disturbance then.
Okay. I just heard somebody saying you're gonna buy a 40,000 car.
That's not me. I don't have that much money.
Like, okay, so somebody's buying a $40,000 car.
Last day of the month, I guess, is it?
Yeah, last day of the month.
Probably nothing will move smooth.
Alrighty.
Looking for GBPJPY, and it was a nice little breakout in hourly. Candle. It was before London session, and then the London session candle just pushed down.
Yeah, it's having a little bit of hard time breaking 156.85. It's tried this many times. Like tried the first time here, second time, third, fourth. This is gonna be the fifth time. So if candles actually a 15-minute or a 30-minute candle closes above, that'll be nice. There's clear traffic on the upside, but it'll be a counter trend sort of a trade. Looking at the monthly close.
Oh, gold is dropping. Baby gold. Maybe. Ooh. I had a sniper entry at gold today, but it played out and.
You didn't secure?
I left at break even. I was expecting the wick fill to the left. Yesterday's daily, but it went up and hit my trend line and then came back again. Came to my entry point and went back again.
Oh no.
Let me show you.
Oh, look at the daily candle. Daily candle is flipping bearish.
I was expecting this in London session, and I took a trade. Oh, it was in Asian actually. Asian trade. In and about.
Wow. Yeah, gold is beautiful than anything else. Gold is in this active demand area. This is somewhere where price had a very explosive movement last time. So just got to be a little bit careful. Something similar might happen. Sales do look juicy. It looks like it could push down. Yeah, just got to be careful. Right.
Let me send you the chart on this. What I was looking at. It's playing out now, but yeah, I didn't want any loss, to be honest, so I just closed it and break even.
Done.
Then in New York session there. Actually, I'm getting trades on trend line nowadays.
Yeah, it's
Gold,
good.
DJ.
Yeah, if you get trend line trade, it could be like in a sniper entry, and yes, sniper entries are always good. Right, so our Samir bro has sent a chart. Samir bro's chart. Look at Mandish's chart. So Samir brother, he's looking at. Oh, okay. So he took a gold sell too. Take this sell. Oh, a few minutes before. 4 minutes before. Okay. Nice. Oh, you took a sell somewhere around here, is it?
No, yeah, there, right there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It took time to push down. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
If a bigger time candle had retest, it would have been better.
Yeah, maybe sell around here. This sell looked better. Sell around here, you know. On the break of the low here, that was better. 5 minutes. Okay, let's have a look. 5 minutes. Around here. Okay.
Around 1 or 2, I guess. I managed to scale in GJ sales a little bit. Few pips, and I closed it because it was just very volatile while pushing down, tapping the top and pushing down. I was looking for buys, and then buys. The market just pushed down, start pushing down. So I sell in a little bit of sales.
Oh.
It was a zero drawdown trade, but I closed it in half. It could pull back anytime.
Oh. You gotta send me a chart.
I did not. Let me see. Where is it? 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 Oh yeah. There is nothing to say. The chart kind of trade was that. Yeah, London session broke the lower 15-minute candle, and then I just took sales in GJ. Then an open candle. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Oh, I thought you paused.
Yeah, I'm trying to post the YouTube link on our Slack, our market fluidity team. So you guys are messaging me saying, "Hey, you gotta send us the Zoom." I'm not doing Zoom, so I can't send the Zoom. You know. I love here. Stay connected with.
GJ, baby. GJ is trying to push up.
Yeah.
Trying to push up by 9 minutes, 10 minutes. It would be a good monthly close, I guess, Anuj, if we get this trade.
Yeah, exactly. It's a monthly counter trend trade. You know, that's a little funny, but yeah, why not, right? As long as we can scale. As long as we can scale. Oh, did you say you haven't done the chart or something?
Yeah, I haven't done the chart. Have a look at 15 minute. 15 minute. I'll show you right there.
Oh, look at the hourly candle. It's looking beautiful, this hourly candle. I'm not going to take an impulsive entry, especially on the especially at the end of the month. Where did you take it?
The big bull bearish candle. Which one is the big bearish candle? Look at that.
Oh, this one?
Yes. Yeah, break the low of that 15 minute.
Oh, that was impulsive. Yeah.
Yeah, that was impulsive. And I secured 5 pips. That's it. I don't want more.
Because it was impulsive? Okay.
Yeah, if it had to go back, oh my god. If it had to go back, it will just push up.
Yeah.
No volume. Pre-London. London opened just to that one candle and that's it. Nothing.
Yeah, so in today's market, GJ, let's look at the market from Asian session. Asian session, well, nothing happened. Asian session, just range around 11:30 Asian, the Australian peak market time. Well, it started pushing up a little bit, and yeah, pushed down for London session, picked up. This was like a liquidity grab, then pushed down. So basically ranging sort of a price action throughout the market. And a few hours ago, started pushing up. So basically ranging from here to here. And it's a good thing if it's ranging because, again, you know, when the prices are ranging in any sort of instrument, we see a break. And it's good to see a break on the upside or a break on the downside. Just need to see a candle close and that'll be best. So ranging market is always the best. Yes, sir.
Just give me a sec. I got a call. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, except gold. Which pairs are you looking? GJ, gold, and GU, GA?
Yeah, that's it. Mainly these four. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was interested into GBP CAD around this level.
Yeah.
But I couldn't catch it because I was looking at something else. But very interested into GBP CAD. Which is pretty similar to GBPJPY around New York session. Something similar. And moves pretty well around London session too. You know, I used to trade GBP CAD a long time ago, and I stopped looking at it because I focused.
CAD, okay.
I started focusing on pound yen more. Beautiful moves in pound CAD.
The only problem what I can see right now is all the pairs I trade is GBP, British pound, and if it doesn't move, nothing moves. You get
True.
nothing.
True, true. Gold is it's bearish AF.
Gold. Oh, okay. Maybe this candle closing below 1723 would have been great, but it's still 20-25 pips.
Yeah. Just a little bit funny for me. You know, it's just a bit funny, especially after seeing this. It's a little bit funny area. Yeah. Let's look at the calendar. What do we have here? Ooh, okay. So yesterday night we had Bailey speaking and Fed Chairman Powell is speaking, so that's actually interesting. Let's look at the news. Is there anything that can pick our eyes? So we have this unemployment claims tonight, 30 minutes after the market open, and they're expecting good numbers. If they're expecting good numbers, well, gold is pushing down already. Maybe the market's gonna wait for that 30 minutes after sort of a news. You have anything? Bank of Japan is talking about inflation trend remains firm except for CPI to rise gradually. Okay. If the CPI rises, inflation grows too. Hey.
I think below 17. What are you looking for sales on gold? Which level?
Sales for gold. Yeah, I think sales somewhere around here was beautiful. Like in about 15 minutes ago here. Whoever took sales around here, I mean, that was it.
Below the support to the left?
Yeah, just here. 1728.30 sort of a level. 1728.30. That was a selling point right there.
Yeah. So what about the support right there to the left?
Hour here?
Yeah. On the left hand side, there's a clear traffic below that support. If it manages to close below, in a bigger time frame, there's a wick.
Oh yeah, actually, yeah, that's something I'm worried about, you know, because that was the exact explosive behavior. That's somewhere where we saw the explosive behavior, and in the next 30 minutes, we have unemployment claims, and it's pushing down already before the news event. Right, so yeah, it's kind of funny. Last day of the month, unemployment claims in 30 minutes after the market open, and the candle's pushing down before the news. I will be waiting for sales, but yeah, if before the news, if it's gonna push, or if it's actually gonna push all the way down, maybe I'm not gonna take it. It's gonna push down all the way down. $500 pips. Gold.
Okay, yes, sir. It's a really clear range.
Yeah,
Nothing.
whoever took sales maybe here, you know, even 17, 30, 30 from here, man. Wow. Somewhere.
Actually,
Yep.
I'm thinking about the sales below that support.
Could make
Maybe you can,
sense. It could actually
yeah,
make sense.
scalp into it. 10, 20, 30 pips maybe. Because it's a clear range. And but it's a rejection area.
Yeah, you know what I think?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's gonna push down, but it's gonna take some time
Yeah.
because gold has less volume than usual days, and it's Thursday. And it's Thursday. Has less volume than usual. Maybe because it's end of the month, but it's just funny. Yeah. Whoever wanted to take sales from here, beautiful. Like 16 pips stop loss, push down 67 pips. Just have to be careful when selling at a support, because this is an active support area, you know. Last time we tapped this area, we retraced in about 100 pips.
Let me send you a chart on this.
Yep.
What I was trying to say is the market structure. What is gold doing in recent time? Let me send you this. Okay, I've sent it in New Accession.
Skimmies.
Yep.
They're trying to set my alert on pound yen here. Yeah, if pound yen is gonna move, just in case. All right, so Mandisha send me another chart. Let's have a look at the chart here. Dun dun dun, and this is the chart. Looking at the pattern, yep, breaking the trends, moving down nice and slow with some volume here. I think that's what's gonna happen, Mandish. To be honest, this is something that's gonna happen. But yeah, it's just interesting. It's just interesting. Why is it interesting? For example, let me do this, right? So if I go into the gold chart right now, let's go into the hourly time frame. Hourly time frame, you're seeing a channel, you're actually drawing trends and breaking the trends, right? But what I'm seeing is, for example, if I have to erase everything from here, and the price is literally moving in a channel, right? For example, let me actually erase this channel that I actually drew before. Right, so if I delete that channel and if I draw a channel from here, okay, so if this is something happening right now, if it's engaging with the channel several times, if it has tapped the top bit of the channel, there is a chance it can actually reject this area, support area, or if not that area, well, there is another area here. It's 40 pips away, as you said. It's a little bit away. I mean, we can scale into it, but before New York market, before unemployment claims, well, unemployment claim numbers are as expected. The gold is moving according to the numbers they're expecting, but it is still sketchy. A little bit sketchy. Maybe a 15-minute candle close below. Maybe that could give us a sell. So maybe here's what we're going to do, right? So here's what I'm going to do. If a 15-minute candle closes below confidently, maybe a sell.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah,
this is the first 5 minutes and it's trying to close below.
Beautiful. I think it's going to move down. To be honest, my bias is a sell, you know, a clear sell in gold. Clear sell.
trying to sell it now, but okay, good.
We have the final GDP as well. Okay, expecting good numbers out of GDP. Interesting. And 30 minutes after the NYSE, we have Chairman Powell testifying in FOMC statements. Okay. Or not statement, FOMC member speaking. Okay. Interesting. Gold is so close to this monthly support area. It's only 150 pips away. All right, so on YouTube, Jared Kina says, yo, good morning. It's the guy from Instagram who said I checked you out before. Hey there, buddy. All right, so gold is retracing. Ooh.
5 minute engulfing in support. It's support.
Exactly. Gotta wait. That's why you gotta wait. I think it's gonna reject the channel a few more times before pushing down. That's what I think. If it's to move down, it's actually going to reject this area several times. That's what I think. We broke this support. We broke this 15, 30 minute support area. More than likely, it's gonna retrace before pushing down.
Can you zoom out a little bit?
On 30.
Which time frame do you have your channel on?
1 hour.
Okay, 1 hour. Let me give it a go once. Let me try it. Channel. Okay, so 1 hour.
Yeah, so the thing with my channel, Mandish, is something like this, right? So it's actually a little different idea, but I'll explain to you, all right? So I drew this channel like few weeks ago. And how did I drew this channel? Look at the channel's engagement with the price, right? So channel's price tapping this channel, all right? So tapping again, and it's engaging up. So first I keep a reference from the downside. Maybe I draw a channel on the bottom side to see where is the support area, sort of a trend line is being held. Where is the level where the price is tapping off of or rejecting? So it's rejecting here, clearly rejecting here, and clearly rejecting many times, playing around. And this is just a noise. For me, this is just a noise, right? And this is a clear rejection, this right here. And all right, so this right here, engaging with the channel, or whatever is happening here is just a noise. The market's trying to enter. Okay, so this is just noise. And all right, so there's another engagement here, several taps, several taps. All right, and tap again, and tap again. So yeah, something similar has happened already. If you look into the hourly time frame, we did reject this roughly drawn channel one more time here.
Yeah.
Right? It has broken the channel. Is it doing a noise? Is this the noise before the news? Maybe. Is this a breakout? Maybe. If this is a breakout, I will be waiting for a retest before pushing down. I will be waiting for a retest. That's the thing about the channel. It helps you be patient because it gives you that likely, I would say, in about level where the price can reject off of. It's pretty interesting channels. Some of the people draw a more conservative channel. They narrow the channel all the way down. Maybe they draw the channel like this. Or inside. They want to draw it more inside like this. And this is fine too. I mean, this is fine.
Looking at the pattern, Anuz.
Yep.
It seems like a falling wedge pattern to me.
Huh. Yeah, it could actually fall down. Yeah, it could fall down. It's bearish, you know. It's definitely bearish. Market's bearish in gold.
No, I mean, let me show you. This is the falling wedge. And this is just a candlestick pattern. Never mind. It can always be wrong.
No, no.
A break and yeah, let me send it to you.
Oh. All right. So on YouTube, Abhinav Srivastav is saying, "What's your bias on GJ?" Well, I've got two biases, two levels, 2 points of interest. I'm looking for buys above 156.85, waiting for a 15 or a 30-minute candle to close. Looking for a sell below 150.85. That is my bias.
Looking at the pattern, it seems for buy for a long term, but yeah, we never know. For buy for a long term.
Exactly. The market can do whatever it likes, right? At the end of the day.
Yeah.
Hello, how are you?
Good, Sabine. How are you? How are you?
Good. Always good.
That's good.
Always good.
That's
okay.
good.
I did not notice this channel. It looks lovely, you know. This how gold is moving. Tapping several times.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's narrowing as well.
Exactly. All right, so we are in about 49 minutes away from the market, and let's look at pound yen right now one more time. So daily candle, bullish, pretty bullish. I mean, we can flip bearish anytime, but it's hanging around there. 4-hour candles are making support. So the price action is from a support. This support has been made, rejecting this support several times, and retesting this previously broken 4-hour is sort of a support. That's very apparent as well. But guess what? 2-hour candles have clear range on the left-hand side, and this 2-hour candle has made a support here, and this 2-hour candle is respecting the previous 2-hour candle's low and trying to fill the wick on the left-hand side, which is a good sign. But I am particularly waiting for a 15 or a 30-minute candle close above for a confident bias. I may miss this trade because I think the candles can push up, especially because the Asian and the London market has been rangy. And if the Asian and the London market has been rangy, when is the next volume time? More than likely New York session. If not pre-New York, it's going to be New York Open. If not New York Open, it's going to be NYSE. Okay. Sudeep bro is ready.
Sudeep bro, I'm ready as well.
Oh my god.
मेरो फेरि गाडीमा हेर न कुलेन्ट लिक हुन थालेछ के
Oh no. Looks like he's having this coolant leak.
Oh hello, no sorry, my mic was on. I thought it was off.
Oh no, guys, come on. What's happening?
Sudeep, you need to fix that coolant leak.
Sorry brother, sorry. I thought
It's
my
okay.
mic was off. Just give me a sec.
Alright, so Sabine can actually advise you about good car coolant.
If coolant leak, then that one key light structure that gonna be blip on the car screen.
Oh.
What is that? I don't know.
Oh, waiting day, long wait today.
Yeah. So on YouTube, Gaji is saying, "What was that, man? What was what?" So there's a guy. His name is #ProfitableTrader, and he's saying, "Hello, profitable trader, buddy."
I saw a video from Capital Hungry today about Daniel Severs.
Oh, okay.
And he was breaking down how that guy is a fraud and this and that.
Oh shit. Yeah.
It was a 1 hour long. Oh, I think 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour long video, and he is saying he's doing a technical analysis on Daniel Severs.
Yeah, I gotta have a look too. So the guys in the YouTube, if you guys are here for the first time, like and subscribe the video and the channel, man. If you guys don't want to miss the live stream, New York session live stream, just subscribe and show your love and appreciation to our team and the channel. Obviously, you guys can ask your questions, send your charts. We're gonna have a look at that, and obviously, we're here to have some fun time. Some fun time.
Hello, Anush.
Hello.
So, at this point of time in gold,
Yep.
have a look at gold 5 minutes. 5 minute gold.
Yep.
So it seems a little bit of rejection on the top, and if this 5 minute candle engulfs that big bullish candle, bearish, and managed to close bearish, it's a nice rejection to the top, a resistance. What do you think about sales then?
To be honest, I think it's gonna go down. It's just hard to catch. For me, it's hard to catch, especially when it's very close to this hourly support. And it's rejecting the hourly support. The hourly candle is bearish. It looks nice, but sorry about that. I'm actually worried if New York market's going to be happy about the price, right? Because we are only 43 minutes away from the market open. And the price, so if you look into the gold market today, so this is where the gold market started, somewhere around here, right? So we pushed down Asian session, we picked up. So around high volume time Asian session, we rejected the top, grabbed liquidity, pushed down, and the London market wasn't happy about this. So went up, grabbed some liquidity, and then starting to push down. So is New York market any happy about the price? Maybe no. So if it's not happy, maybe it's going to reject this broken channel or reject the previously broken support area before moving down. And that's what I'm waiting for. If that's going to happen, obviously amazing. So clearly need to see a resistance in a 15-minute or a 30-minute. So if the candles retrace up, it's very logical to say that the candles can push down around the news event time. But right now, yeah, it's just looking ugly, to be honest. The best sell, so if anybody's looking for any best sell opportunity that we've missed already, our best selling opportunity was here. Another selling opportunity right here. So one here, another here. Yeah, that's it. I've missed the quality trade already, you know? Missed the quality trade. Look at gold retracing.
Pretty hard.
Yeah. Pretty hard. So on YouTube, Gaji is saying which language? Oh, this is Nepalese. Oh no, it's Nepali. It's not Nepalese. It's Nepali.
Hello guys, sorry about that.
No, that's okay. That's okay. So Mandish came in the chat and he was the same. He was singing a song.
Just right now?
No. You when you came to the Discord,
Oh.
you were singing a song. I forgot what was the song. He was singing a song. That's okay.
You know, yesterday my Discord, I don't know what's wrong with Discord. It doesn't work sometimes. It doesn't open.
Oh no.
And I have to reinstall it yesterday.
Oh, is it? Oh, you probably you put in the beta version or something.
Beta? No, I don't think so. It's a Discord. No, it's not beta, I guess. Beta.
Uh-huh.
It's a normal one, I guess.
Uh-huh. Or so
Oh,
on
wow.
YouTube, Profitable Trader is saying, where are you from? I'm originally from Nepal, but right now from Australia. Oh,
That's most of us, I guess.
that's right.
Or-
That's right.
From Nepal.
This is where we are from. Right here. We are from everywhere, man. We have our Sudeep bro from Canada right here, waking up early in the morning, grinding on the chart. We have Mandish from Melbourne. I'm from Sydney. And we got a lot of people here, a lot of friends.
And soon we have somebody joining from Bangladesh.
Oh, yep. We have somebody from Bangladesh as well.
Where about?
Oh,
He's going
I don't think he's
to
on.
interview with us soon. He is not on yet.
Huh. Yeah, I will need to assign his role, otherwise he will disappear, in 24 hours.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Probably he will make it on time.
I'll text him.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, gold retracing. And whoever took a sell here, they are getting spiced out. They are getting spiced out. It's not a good feeling, but yay.
I think it was enough. 40 pips should have been enough.
Yeah, exactly. So on YouTube, Nigel G. Hando is saying the guitar, please. The guitar, we have the guitar, but we're kind of... All right, so let me play guitar. Okay. Play the guitar.
Hey, we're having fun today.
It's like Friday all over.
And tomorrow is a Friday as well. 2 Fridays.
We got the GJ. It's ranging. Oh, it's
traveling in
ranging.
Siddhartha Highway.
Oh, it's ranging.
The UD sales look good. Looks good. But it's in the range.
Exactly.
But it looks good. 10-minute candle rejecting. Okay. Does not look good. that good.
So on YouTube, Kalon FX is saying, do you believe Yeti is alive? What do you guys think?
Gotta go check the mountains, guys.
Gotta go check the mountains.
Yeah.
Really not sure.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we gotta bring in the sitar here, Sudeep bro. We gotta bring in the sitar. Maybe we could pull up a concert here. Playing the guitar now, otherwise I'll forget about the market. All right. Let's focus
Guitar
in
does
the
that
market.
to you.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. I think I'm gonna sell pound AUD.
Oh, let's look at pound AUD. All right. The pound AUD specialist is saying pound AUD is sell, so we sell. All right. Right.
Scaled into pound AUD sales today. Honest, I hit about 20 to 30 pips today on 2 or 3 trades.
Ooh.
I did not take any profits.
Oh, okay. Now you're in that phase. Okay. Oh no.
Because I'm up for the week already. If it's going for swing, it's going for swing. But
Okay.
no losses, to be honest.
Yeah, don't take any profits for granted. Honestly, trust me. Don't take any profits for granted. You know what kind of attitude we need to have? We need to be like Kevin. Every time I talk to Kevin, he says, it reminds me of this attitude, and he says, "Hey, Anuj, every time you come to the market, you got to be like, hey, give me my money. I'm getting out of the market now." Now that's the attitude you need to have. You know, it's not like, oh, okay, let's see, let's just see what my luck gives. No, now you got to come in the market and be like, okay, buddy, I'm here in the market. I came, so give me my money. I'm gonna get out of here. And you need to have that attitude. It's like, okay, I came in the market. I need to get paid. I'm not going. So after I'm being profitable, I have a winner trade running in the market. I cannot go empty-handed. That's it. If the trade goes in profit, I cannot go empty-handed. That's it. Simple as that. So it looks like Mandish had 20 pips in profit. Man, come on. at least 50%. You should have secured at least 50%.
I just cut my risks to half today, so I didn't want to take it.
Oh no.
At the end of the month, you know, anything can happen.
True. Now, pound yen, especially very rangy right now. Still waiting for that price action, waiting for that candle close above. A confident candle close. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set some alert on gold as well. Set some alert. All right. Gold, gold. Gold, gold, gold. Gold.
There is no trade of diamond. There is no trade of diamond. Just gold.
What did you say, Sabine? What did you say?
No trade of diamond. Just gold.
Oh, maybe there is diamond, but gold is like a safe haven, you know. So what that means is, it's an instrument that the institution can rely on just to put the money when there's market volatility, uncertainty. I don't know if there's a diamond.
Diamond, let me check.
Yeah. All right. So on YouTube, Emmanuel is saying, Anuj, how are you? Oh, I'm good. And everybody here in our team, everybody's doing good. And Emmanuel's saying no Zoom link in the Slack. Oh, all right. Emmanuel, man, yeah, the thing with the Zoom is like I actually unfriended Zoom. You know, I hate Zoom, and I've got a couple of friends here. I've got my mentored students as well, and I'm helping them every day, right? So it's like a private Discord group. I'm trying to make something available for the market fluidity friends as well, but yep, we will do something. Probably around October, there's going to be something specifically for the market fluidity friends. Until then, it's like, yeah, just managing my group here, you know. But you guys are always welcome on the YouTube. You guys can come in, and I honestly respect anybody's opinion, anybody's ideas shared in the YouTube platform. And especially you guys from market fluidity are like my buddies, friends. So why not? Just hop in anytime. All right, so Kaylin FX is saying, I think the gold is pulling back to go further down. Yes, that's what we think as well. All right, Emmanuel is saying, nice. Wish you best of luck, brother. Yep, wish you a best of luck and the best of the price action for you as well. Emmanuel, it's always nice meeting you, brother. And Nigel is saying, how can I join the private Discord? Well, if you can find the private Discord, you can join the private Discord. So you gotta find the private Discord.
Okay, I don't think there's anything called diamond. I'm looking for diamond. Diamond.
Yeah, I think they don't allow that.
Gold, silver, iron, everything is there. Why not diamond? Maybe these are diamond mining factories or something.
Oh, there is diamond. Oh, no. There isn't.
There isn't.
There isn't, yeah.
Oh, what's up with my trade?
Yeah, but there is oil. Like, people trade oil. Very volatile. Oil is very volatile.
For scalping?
Oh, scalping, swinging. Yep. I actually forgot the sign. What was the sign for oil? Let me see.
OIL, oil. Doesn't show up. Maybe this crude oil?
Yeah, crude oil. Yep.
Okay, yeah. Okay, it doesn't have FXCM or and capital.com. Crude oil. Oil USD maybe, yeah?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Crude oil capital.com. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, it's a broken chart. Oh, it's same like gold, I guess. Dropping. It's moving down. Oh, the last 5-minute candle is 26 pips. Oh, oil is going down.
The oil is dropping down the tank. Oh no.
Yeah, there's 3 Brent, crude oil Brent.
Yeah, I forgot.
US oil, I guess.
Yeah, there was a sign. I forgot. All right. So oil CFD.
Looks good. Oil looks good as well. Good for scalping. Maybe.
Oil NMX. Okay. Yeah, I think it's a future market. That's what I think. This one, right?
That's for India, I guess. Indian liquidity provider.
Is it?
Mhm.
Price of gold. 5%. Okay.
So what will be the leverage in CFDs?
There is 1:500, 1:4, 1:3, 1:200, 1:100. Yeah, that's
And Black Bull.
not sure.
No problem. Okay.
Azure.
All right. Okay. How was your day, boys? How was your day? All right, so where's my?
It's not bad.
But what time is it right now in Halifax? Right now?
8:37 a.m.
Oh, beautiful. It's actually
in the
early.
morning, and
It's early than New York, is it? Must be.
yes, it's 1 hour behind New York. So New York is EST, right? And
Yep.
our time is ADT. ADT is 1 hour ahead.
Ahead. Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And today is a public holiday, so just chilling.
Oh, is it? Is it a holiday? Okay.
Yeah, it's a new holiday. Like if you don't know, I don't know if you guys know the dead bodies of children that were found buried in a church.
Oh yeah. I've actually read article by that. Yep.
Yeah, and like the children's like numbers were like in hundreds.
Oh
So
shit.
government declared today to be National Truth and Reconciliation Day,
Yep.
so that it could actually focus on issues like these. This is the first ever public holiday on this day.
Wow. It's crazy, right?
Yeah. And it is also, I guess, dedicated for all the like natives that used to stay over here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And later on, the Europeans came over here and invaded the land. So
Yep.
it's for like their honor as well.
Look at the gold
I'll put the
retracing.
link on.
Oh yeah.
I'll put the link on Discord if you want to.
Yeah. Just send the link. Yeah.
Do you have public holiday on Queen's birthday as well?
No, we don't.
No?
No.
Still, Queen's country, right?
Well,
Canada.
yeah. Canada is still the Queen's country, right?
Mm-hmm.
The Queen still has authority, but the majority of the work is done by the Prime Minister. He is the one on power, right?
No,
The
yeah,
queen will
but
not directly come over here and intervene.
I'm just
I
talking. Oh, but we have Queen's birthday as well, and it's here.
Yeah,
Everything.
We do. Yeah, we celebrate Queen's birthday, Queen's dating, Queen's everything. we
A lot of holidays here.
exactly. To be honest, Australia has a lot of holidays.
A lot of holiday, or only 8 holiday, I guess. Only 8 public holiday.
Well, there's actually a lot of celebrations. If you remember.
There's a public holiday in AFL grand final as well.
Exactly. All right. So both National Day for Truth and
Nepal is best for holidays, you know.
Oh yes,
Oh,
man.
absolutely.
every day is a holiday.
Well, comparing like Canada or Australia to Nepal, I think that there are less holidays over here because like there are 2 days off in a week, right? So 104 days are gone like that.
Yeah. Lot of
Nepal
holidays in Nepal is a lot of every
Every
month
month.
is one to
Yeah,
every
exactly.
month something comes up.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, the Shane is coming up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Fine.
October 15th.
Okay, guys,
Huh?
let me show you our plan for the same. Okay.
Yep.
So, we are like 3 or 4 house around,
Yep.
like a family, and we're bringing the goat from the farm. And
Are you slaughtering? Are you slaughtering the
no,
goat?
we can't slaughter, but we'll slaughter it in the farm and just bring it like that.
Oh, Mandish, don't do it. You know why? I'm going to tell you why.
Why?
So one of those does say, right? I was actually sick at that time, but obviously brothers in our home, they brought the goat, and our neighbor, our friend, so he had a big bathtub, right? And we tried to skin the goat. Obviously the goat was dead already, and we tried to skin the goat in the bathtub. And the smell of that goat never ever went away.
No, we have a really big backyard in my friend's house. It's huge.
Okay.
It's an industrial area.
Yep.
Just one house in that area, and it's
Okay.
big backyard.
Uh-huh.
We can do it there. We've
Hopefully.
got a
Hopefully.
barbecue spot there in one place, a football ground, mini football ground there.
All right. Yeah, I actually heard that Melbourne has a lot of big houses. Yeah. Big houses, right?
Yeah, big houses. Let's say area, backyard.
Uh-huh. But is there any restriction? No restriction?
Under 5 kilometers.
Oh, okay. And no restriction on gathering people or something?
I really don't care that much.
Okay. Oh, you guys have Brighton Beach as well. All
Yeah,
right.
that's why someone was talking about Brighton, and I thought it was from Melbourne.
Yeah, so it's like Brighton Beach is very close to Sabine's place here.
Yeah, it's maybe a 10-minute walk from my home.
Yeah.
I go there every day.
Yeah.
Well,
Going
talking
to
about
move.
beaches, man, you should come to Halifax.
Hmm.
So Halifax is in Nova Scotia, right? So Nova Scotia is such a place. From any point in Nova Scotia, like start driving, within 20 minutes you will find a beach.
Wow.
Like thousands of kilometers of, I would not say thousands, hundreds of kilometers of shoreline.
Wow. So we got a chart from Nigel here. Let's have a look at Nigel's chart. and see what he's talking about. Nigel is looking at buys. Oh, okay. So the candles are pretty small, but he's looking at buys of a 157.70, something similar to our idea. We are looking for buys above 156.85. Yeah, something similar. Pretty similar, Nigel. But your support lines are pretty good. I mean, your support and resistance level are pretty good. You're looking at EMAs, looks like. So if you're looking at EMAs, I mean, yeah. I hope it works for you, and that's it. So all I can say is, if I was to give you a personal opinion or personal, I would say, suggestion, you know, just make your candles a little bit huge so that you can process the information really quick, or you can see what's happening. Just make your candles a little bit bigger so that you can see what's happening. That's it. Yeah, so Sabine is pretty lucky. He has this Brighton Beach around, and we only have a creek, a lake-like thing around. So, yeah. Right, yeah.
Hey, man, you're looking to Melbourne too much. I think you got to move. Yeah.
Yeah, I need to move. I'm planning to move to Brisbane, Gold Coast.
Planning to move there.
Oh, there is a lot of
I'll show you.
Yeah. So you know what happens? What happened once? I was trying to visit Mandish just for a celebration, right? And I was trying to visit him for a celebration. And Melbourne has 2 airports, and he lives somewhere around here. And I didn't see there was 2 airports. So guys who are trying to go to Melbourne, make sure you have specific idea about what airport you're going to. So he lives somewhere around here, and I booked a plane ticket. And my plane ticket was for somewhere around here, regional. So regional.
Avalon. It was Avalon.
So I booked a ticket mistakenly for this airport right here.
Like if someone wanna come to Sydney, they book a ticket to Newcastle Airport.
Oh, Sydney has 2 airports too, is it?
Yeah, Bankstown and Sydney. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so I booked the ticket for here, and at the end the flights got canceled because of the COVID, and I could never make it there for the celebration. Yeah, it was just like, yeah.
But I made it to Sydney, and it was.
You made it, yeah. This guy drove from Melbourne to Sydney. So from here, he drove all the way to Sydney.
How much time it take? 10 hours?
Yeah, in about 10 hours, 8 hours, something drive, and plus minus, 9 hours, something like that. It was good while I came back.
Oh yeah, the lockdown just started, isn't it? Shit.
Oh, shit, I was cooking. All right, guys, I'm off for now.
When is Thanksgiving there?
Oh, Thanksgiving. Let's check. Oh, it's 11 hours. Okay. 11 hours drive for Mandish, and he made it to Sydney. And he calls me and says, "Hey, I'm down below your door."
Oh.
And he says, the bell's not working, and I'm right at your gate. I'm like, okay, then I'm at your gate. And he's like, and after like 20 minutes, it started raining, and he said, "Oh, I'm seriously down below." And when I look down, he's there. Thanksgiving.
Mandish, you came with your friends or just alone, driving alone?
Oh, he came with a friend.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Thanksgiving, 11th October.
Oh, you have it at October as well?
Yeah. What about you guys?
11th October. And I guess it is different from the American Thanksgiving.
Oh, 11 October is they like the COVID restriction is age, right? From
Oh,
that day.
okay. So they're trying to end it around Thanksgiving. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's like 11 hours drive, man. Yeah,
I would not be able to do that. 11
exactly.
hours on highway, holy shit.
I know. It's like
Look
9.
like just inside the national park.
Yeah,
all green.
he's driving inside the national park. Yeah. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, man.
The longest I've ever driven in a highway is 2.5 hours, I guess, in Canada.
Yeah,
Boring, man. Boring.
yeah. I
Once-
think
Once you enter the highway,
uh-huh. So 4 hour, did you say 2 hour?
2.5 hours, yeah.
The 2 hour, 2.5 hour, 2 times is so 5 hours, is it?
5 hours. Like we went in the morning, just chilled out, and came back.
Oh, yep. Me too, something like that. 5, I think 6. So we were traveling to
Snowy Mountain, I think. Yeah.
I think we were going to, what was the place, the name? We actually went for camping. Motsov, me, Kevin, Nikesh. We went for camping. I forgot the name of the place. Patonga. All right, it's called Patonga. Patonga. It was a beautiful place for camping. It's like, okay. Patonga camping grounds. Oh, it was actually not a lot. It was 1 hour and 40 minutes. I think we went the long way, and that was beautiful. Beautiful. So Patonga, and once we went to Blue Mountains. How far is Blue Mountain?
3 hours drive. 3 hours, yeah.
Yeah, Blue Mountains. Blue Mountains. Oh, so the M5 is pretty fast, huh?
Oh, just 1
M4.
hour.
Yeah.
No, you need to search here. Well, it's showing the walking direction. What it is?
Yeah. It's just ending you right here. Oh my god, that's too close. Yeah, but Sydney has a lot of destination to go to. It's amazing. It's amazing. All right, so we are 7 minutes away from the market open at this point of time, and it's actually interesting because in the next 37 minutes we have unemployment claims, and that's definitely going to bring in some volume, and we're going to keep an eye open for that, and it's actually going to be interesting. Actually going to be interesting. Yeah, so Mandish has driven a lot. I've actually driven to Newcastle once, just for delivery's sake. Oh my god.
Me too.
Yeah. Newcastle.
That's new.
All right, so the 4-hour candle right now is pretty bullish at this point of time. It has 1 hour left for its close. Looks like 4-hour candle is doing some sort of retest for a selling scenario, but I'm not sure if sales are going to come in right now. I'm only looking to sell below 150.085 if that's happening today. The volume is getting higher and higher every second now. So that's a good sign. That's actually a good sign. And hourly candle still in the range below 150 at 685. For a buying sort of a scenario, I need to see a candle close above, and that'll be a nice scenario right there. So just waiting at this point in time. There's a clear traffic on the left hand side. It's actually looking good for a scalping opportunity. Just have to see a candle close above with a confident wick, and that'll be it. That will be it.
But wicks are rejecting that area, right?
Yep, that's actually correct. Rejecting.
Anuj,
Sir,
what's going on?
4 minutes before the New York market open. Just waiting. Our Sanchit is saying, how about India? I mean, yeah, India is beautiful too. India is pretty beautiful. It has a lot of geographical features, I think. A lot of hot places, a lot of cold places. Yep, but never got a chance to visit India.
I managed to visit few places in India. It's really cheap.
Yeah,
to buy
affordable,
things.
right? It's affordable.
Yeah.
So it's cold around here, isn't it? Oh, no.
That's obvious, I guess. In the Himalayas, oh, Anuj.
Oh, yeah, that's right. And it's the hottest around here, right?
No, I think the hot is around the middle part.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, maybe
There's
here.
going to be a,
Maybe
there's
the
a,
hottest here. Rajasthan or something.
yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Like even
Maybe-
if you look at, there are not any forests at all. I think that is a desert.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh yeah, Rajasthan is a desert.
And I don't know why
It's-
Pakistan doesn't have any forest or something. Shit. Honestly.
But Pakistan is a beautiful country too.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought.
In Himalayan region also there is a very good road connection.
Yeah, I think Mount
Yeah.
Mount K2, isn't it? K2 is in Pakistan. Mount K2.
Yeah, Mount Kerry is in Pakistan. A lot of mountains in and around.
Yeah. And we got Tajikistan, Kazakhstan, we got Uzbekistan, we got Turkmenistan, we got a lot of time
Let's-
here.
Try GeoGuessr.
Oh yeah,
nothing to
we
do.
can we can try that. Yeah. Let me see. Let me search it up.
Why that area is called Istan?
I don't know.
All the countries over there, like Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan.
Maybe Genghis Khan took it all and say, Istan, this is my this is Istan, this is my that Istan.
Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, I'm trying to search it up. I don't know where most to send it. All right, here. I got it. Just give me a second. All right, so we are. Oh, so the market opens happening in the next 30 seconds. So I'm thinking about a buy stop now. If the candle closes with a wick on the top, I may keep a buy stop. So thinking about a buy stop above 156.85. Let's see what's going to happen. Waiting. Ooh, all right, so 30-minute candle close with a rejection from the bottom. There's a support here. Candles very close to 156.85 at this point in time. My buy stop idea is still an idea in the head. I want to see volume before I could actually take an entry, right? So, so on YouTube, Sanchit is saying search Kedarnath. We'll search for that. Are waiting. We're in the first few minutes of the market open. The hourly candle is moving up, breaking the high, which is good. I'm not planning to take an impulsive entry. I'm kind of relaxed here. Yep. Kind of relaxed. Don't want to rush. Don't want to rush a trade, especially at the end of the month. This is the literal end of the month today. So still waiting for a 30-minute or even a 15-minute candle to close above. Waiting. A10. Pound AUD. Okay. I haven't taken an entry yet. Yeti. Also, the guys in the YouTube, again, one more time. If you guys are here for the first time, like the video and subscribe. Make sure comment. And show your love and appreciation. Your love is always respected by us. All right, so that's what you want to do. Gold is moving. And looks like the New York market is not happy about the price, right? So they're actually taking it up high. So if the New York market's picking it up, more than likely, it's actually going to push down. We're going to wait for the price action. All right, so the gold right now is still hanging around 1726.50 sort of area. See what's going to happen. 27 minutes away from the market open at this point in time. And we are seeing some movements, some activities. But I am particularly waiting here for pound yen. Pound yen. This is the action time. All right, so on YouTube, Masahiko Kimura is giving us the love sign. Thank you, Masahiko. And Nigel is giving that love sign too. Amazing. Thanks for the love, man. Thanks for the love. Amazing. It's an inspiration. That's what I can say, right? But man, you know what's a great inspiration for our team? If you guys ask question, and if everybody could learn from the stream, that would be the best. That will be the best. Just ask questions. Probably I may have the answers. So just ask questions. And at this point in time, a gold. Ooh, all right. So my alert on pound yen got hit. It's just moving. So which is good. It's just moving. But yeah, haven't taken an entry yet. Definitely moving. We are in the first 4 minutes in the market. Beautiful. QT. So Sanchit on YouTube is saying, what comes after and before zero? Ooh. What comes after and before zero? Okay, what comes after after and before zero, guys?
0.9 in 1.1.
All right, so you heard the answer. Is that correct, Sanchit? What comes after and before zero?
It's one maybe. Before.
Oh, yeah.
What
Minus
comes
1 and 1.
What comes?
You're
He's-
searching it on
Oh,
Google.
wait. Before 0, there is a negative number comes.
Yeah,
After
minus 1
positive.
and 0, 1.
All right, so apparently that's not a trick question. He's saying minus 1. All right.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Sabine is
The
right.
question should-
Mandish is right.
The question should have been what immediately before and after 0.
What did you say?
The question should have been what comes immediately after 1 and after and before 0.
True.
They will be a
Mathematically,
little
yep.
bit hard. They will be a little bit hard.
Anush,
Yes, sir.
we do have a clear range on GU as well at 15 minutes.
Yeah, that's what I was actually looking into. G looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, pound yen should be moving up too. I don't know why. It's just, sorry about that. It's just waiting there. Just waiting for that rush to push up.
Maybe because maybe because USD is a little bit
Oh,
stronger,
pound
I
yen.
guess.
Sanchit is saying, what's your nickname in Nepal? Ooh, you don't want to know my nickname, man. You don't want to know my nickname. Oh my god. So my nickname in Nepal was Candle Storyteller. That's what it is. The Candle Storyteller is right there. Just kidding.
Oh.
All right, so we are 20 minutes away from the unemployment claims at this point in time. 20 minutes away. 20 minutes away. And they're expecting good numbers, so gold might dump down. Mr. Goldie might dump down. Look at the greenery in Nepal, right? So green. Man. A lot of greenery. Oh, there's a place named Kanda. Okay.
Kanda.
Yeah. I didn't know that.
Well, honestly speaking, I need to go back to Nepal and see places. I have not seen any places.
Oh, you know where you should go. You must probably have been to Pokhara. Have you been to Pokhara?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Pokhara is amazing. You know, I would love to visit that place as many times as I can. Pokhara
I'm from Pokhara, guys.
Yeah. Sabine is from Pokhara.
Very
Beautiful.
near.
In my life, I have been stuck in Kathmandu.
Beautiful place, Pokhara.
Yeah, a lot of memories.
Yeah. A lot. A lot.
A lot, yeah.
Well, if this helps, my first drink ever was in Pokhara.
What did you say? What did you say?
Well, it is a memorable place because my first drink ever was in Pokhara.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Wow. Yeah, a lot of
It was
people. Yep, go on.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, a lot of people in Pokhara are quite alcoholic. So I think Sabine is alcoholic too. Sabine, is that correct?
No, I'm not. Just
Just-
sometime.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Just kidding, Sabine.
Yeah, I know.
It has a funny story because, like, you remember Viraz, right?
Yep.
So we went through the Indian embassy, and the people in Indian embassy were like forcing us, right? So Viraz was like, "I'll keep 3 drinks," and I was like, "Okay, bring it."
All right. Set the floor. Set the floor. I'm drinking now.
He was pretty much confident that I was not gonna drink, never drunk, right? And he
Yeah.
was like, "Okay, I'll drink 3 drinks," and I was like, "Okay, bring it." He was like, "Holy shit!"
Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at gold. Gold is rejecting everything on the top here. Looks like it's done its retest. In about retest. It didn't tap 1728.50, but it's rejecting the top. And we are in about 17 minutes away from the news event. It's very interesting. Kind of volatile, I would say. Oh, look at the wick on the top in gold. Man. And I am waiting for a pound yen here. 16 more minutes. 16 more minutes.
Oh.
Ooh, look at pound. Look at gold.
Gold must be good to go. Not yet, I guess. A little bit.
All right, so pound is starting to move here. Beautiful, beautiful.
I'm thinking about gold sales.
I think gold's gonna dump down. Yeah, that's what I think. All right, so the pound previous 15-minute candle closed exactly around 156.85. That's a good sign to push up, but I want to see a candle close above, right? So I think I'm going to stay strict on my analysis here, strict on my rule, especially because it's the end of the month, right? Literally end of the month. I know it's going to push up, and I believe in the analysis, but I think I'm going to miss out on it. Yep, 15-minute candle is looking pretty good. We are 15 minutes away from the news event. Right now, at this point in time, gold is rejecting the top. Ooh. And it looks like gold is going to push down here. That's what I think. The New York market has grabbed its premium price, more than likely. And it has also, funny enough, rejected the channel. The channel's being rejected, right? So if the channel's being rejected, as we talked about at the beginning of the stream, it's looking pretty good to push down here. It can actually very well push down. So now the only thing anybody should be waiting for is if the previous brother candle did a top wick, a very long wick on the top, you got to wait for this candle to do something similar. And maybe on the break of the low, yep, that could be the trade. But there is a news event happening. So kind of have to ask yourself, do you want yourself to experience that misery of slipping, misery of, I don't know, what more, right? So kind of relax. All right, so pound yen moving up, beautiful here. I am waiting for my trade. It might as well just skip through and just hit the target. Yep, it's moving. Beautiful. Beauty, beauty, beauty.
Nice move here, pound yen.
Yeah, pound yen's gonna move up. Beautiful.
30-minute candle close would be better.
Oh, wow. Yep. Gold is rejecting the channel one more time. Nice. That is nice-o. We are 13 minutes away from the news event. I might actually miss the trade here, so it's okay. As long as I'm correct in the market, I'm happy. You know, I've reached such a phase now. It's like, hey, man, if I'm going to miss this trade, it's fine. I called it out. And I know this is going to happen again in the future. And this is something I'm not going to miss next time, you know. So I'm kind of saying myself, I'm kind of telling myself, hey, buddy, just build that confidence and that attitude of carelessness, all right? Even if I miss it, it's like, yeah, you know, it's okay. No need to catch it when there's certainty in the next few minutes, right? I'm like, okay, it's all right. Kind of waiting at this point in time. Kind of waiting. Our 15-minute candles have broken the resistance. There's another rejection area here, but I think that's going to be broken because this is a high volume time. And if you look at the market behavior today, price in yesterday's market tried to break that level, couldn't do that, failed breaking that level. I tried one more time, another time. So tried several times breaking 156.85. And if the price is trying to do that, when is it going to happen? When is it actually going to break these levels around high volume time? And this is exactly high volume time we are waiting for, right? And more than likely, it's actually going to hit this one, I would say 151.050. 151.050 is the target. That is the target, and I'm not in any sort of position yet. I'm just chilling. Just chilling. Did you guys know that there was a song called Pretty Woman in India?
Yeah.
Pretty Woman. And that's an actual song from America. It's like, I forgot the name of the singer. Pretty Woman. Yeah, now the Indians, they made the song, but the original one was a song from America, like long back ago. Pretty Woman. It was Osman, or what was the name? Old English song. Yep, or Orbison. Okay, that's it. Roy Orbison. He's the real singer. And the original song is this, like back in 1988. But yeah, they remade the song, Pretty Woman. Oh, actually, this is a series. Okay. Pretty woman, won't you pardon me, woman? And gold, gold is doing its last few taps. Looks like, oh, it's retracing again. Okay, interesting enough. So on YouTube, Nigel has sent another analysis. Are we gonna have a look at the analysis? Yep. Yep, pound yen is pushing up. Beautiful. 9 minutes away from the news event. Beautiful. So, I mean, whoever took the buys around here, I mean, it worked out. It worked out. Moving up like 9 pips. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, Sanchi, not Sanchi, this is from Nigel. Nigel is looking for buys about 1347.53. Okay, ooh, and pound yen is moving up here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So it looks like the previous 15-minute candle closing with a wick on the top was a sign that the candles may push up, and that's what's happening right now. And I didn't take this trade because it didn't fit my plan, but the trade was called out live. It was called out, definitely called out. Amazing. So whoever took that trade, man, amazing. Just secure your profits because it must have given you enough profit already, right? So looking at the 15-minute candle, execution was maybe above 156.85 as we talked about. And beautiful. So it has given you like 13 pips already. Try and manage to secure something out of it. That's it. Ooh, pound USD is pushing. Something similar with gold. Sorry, not gold. Something similar with pound yen.
Instruments are moving, I guess.
Yeah, pound is finally moving. 6 minutes before the news event. Amazing. Waste.
They're expecting less claims than before.
Yeah, exactly.
I think, due to this unemployment claims, I think due to COVID, there should be more, I guess. What do you think?
But in Forex factory, it shows like it's not high risk, right?
It's a medium impact news.
Medium impact, yeah.
Yeah, medium impact, but unemployment claim has been something the investors are looking into these days. If you want to look into these side effects, in the past few times unemployment claim releases, market's been pretty high volume. So if you remember, I mean, let me remember who was there last time. I caught this unemployment claim sales. There was Suraj in the chat. There was Motsab in the chat. There was Sudeep Bro in the chat. And that trade I took in gold moved down like 200 pips in New York session. The 200 pips in New York session around unemployment claims. So that's like just crazy. It's pretty high volume. But you know what happened? That trade I took, I hold the trade for a very long time, and I closed the position in like 1 or 2, actually 3 pips in profit. And
200 pips.
And then it ran 200 pips after that.
Oh, okay. I thought it was 200 pips, and then you close it in 1 and 2 pips.
No. I was like, I hold it for too long. After the new news release, it caught me, right? So it caught me. My pending was activated, and I was like, okay, so I'm gonna hold it because the structure makes sense to push down. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait. And I waited, and I was like, oh man, I hold the trade for too long. But that wasn't too long. That was like maybe 6 minutes or something after the news. And I was like, hey man, you know what? I'm going to close it in 3 pips profit. And I closed it, and it dropped down 200 pips later.
What do you think about buys now?
In pound yen?
Yeah, pound yen, pound AUD has more range than pound yen now.
Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. All right.
30-minute candle closing everything. Closing above everything. To the left.
Actually looks good.
NFP, I guess, last time. Pound moved bullish. Just moving bullish. 2 months ago, I guess.
How is it?
Yeah, the pound just went bullish. Tuk. Non-stop. I think BJ was there. We caught, I don't know, a lot of pips.
All right. Yep, pound USD, pound GBPJPY, amazing, bullish.
Let's see what the news brings.
In the next 3 minutes, oh man, pound yen did move up, beautiful. I mean, whoever took that buy, wow, it's pushing up now. Look at the New York volume. Ooh, amazing, 18 pips. Whoever caught that trade, man, amazing. So,
oh.
20 pips. Oh, 20 pips from the entry point.
Oh, nice. Amazing move.
20 pips. All right. Unemployment claims. Let's see. Let's look at the unemployment claims here. Unemployment claims.
And what did this final GDP means?
It's a news event for domestic gross domestic product. So basically, domestic, I would say, it's sort of like related to what is the exact word? PPI. So it's related to PPI. So if the GDP is good, the PPI is better. PPI is basically like almost like CPI, but from the producer's perspective or producer's side. All right, so man, we've missed the pound buys. I didn't take it. Obviously, it was looking nice, but yeah, it is what it is. So here's the thing: this trade is not only going to happen today. This is going to happen forever. You know, this is the same trade that happens every single time, and we catch it. You know, it doesn't have to be just this trade today that we had to catch. It's all right. Now, when we look back into it, well, there was some buffer time, maybe in about 14, 15 minutes before the news. I mean, it's still quite uncertain, still quite volatile, and I don't take a trade around those times, especially when the shock effects have been seen in the past, right? But the trade worked out. The structure was there. Everything was there. If this was a normal day, the clear traffic on the left-hand side made sense, and it was achieved. Oh, and it's retracing. Our shock effects. Unemployment claims. Nothing's happening. Ooh. Oh, bad numbers.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say, Anush.
Bad numbers, and that's why gold is pumping up. Okay. It just tapped this hourly support. It's pushing up. And more than likely, gold can pump up even higher. Let's look at the GDP. What about the GDP? Our GDP is good. Okay. So this is also kind of delicate right here. So are the market makers, are the investors going to look at the GDP? Because GDP is sort of like, okay, so if the GDP is good, they're gonna think that, hey, PPI is gonna be good. So that means USD is doing well, right? So if that's the case, gold should be pumping down. It should be, but the unemployment claims numbers are bad. It's bad, but not that bad than before, right? It's not as good as they expected. It's bad, but not that bad than before. So it's kind of delicate here. So gold could actually still go down. I can tell you this, because the GDP is turning out to be good, and unemployment claims not that fluctuating too. So we will see what's going to happen. I am waiting. All right. Our pound yen previous 30-minute candle closed bullish. Hourly candle still above. Amazing. This is the first candle that broke above the range, broke above 156.85, which is good. If this hourly candle could stay bullish somehow, we might end up hitting this target here on the top. So that means there could be a chance of entry. But one of the finest entries was just around here. Maybe exactly above 15700, somewhere around there. With like 10 pips stop loss, anticipating the price to move up. And that was it. That was about it. We are...
I'm going to call it a day.
Ooh, okay. Mother, she's calling it a day. Okay.
I'm going to see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you, Mandesh.
See you. Bye-bye, guys. Take care.
There.
All right, so on YouTube, Amir Ali Khan is saying if the 15-minute candle flips on GJ with a word, would GJ buy be good of a entry? I don't know, man, because this is the first few minutes of the market open, the news event, and pound yen's retracing. So you tell me. It's not looking good for buys at all. It's not. Kind of have to wait, to be honest. Ooh, it's retracing. Pound yen is retracing harder.
This unemployment claim means that 362k claimed by the people from government, or what is this?
Yes.
Means.
So those are 300. So 362 administrative claims. So these are the registered claims. So
Okay.
I don't know how many people claim from the insurance and all, because we wouldn't know that. Those are privacy and private sort of information. But this right here, the unemployment claim, administrative claims from the Department of, I don't know, what is it called in USA? I don't know, maybe Human resource or something. Actually, not human resource.
Department
sorry.
of Labor.
Department of. I think it's the. Oh yeah, Department of Labor. Okay, Department of. It says Department of Labor. In Australia, it's different. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. All right.
In Australia, Centrelink claim. Or what is that they call?
I think it's the human. I don't know what. I forgot the exact term for Australia, but yeah, it's something similar to Centrelink. Centrelink works under. I don't know if it's human resource or human rights. I think human rights. Yep. The Department of Human Rights. I think that's what it is. Pound yen is still hanging around there. Gold is also hanging around. Haven't seen exponential push anywhere. Probably the market's just absorbing the news, as we are in the first 6 minutes after the news release and just hanging around. All right, so Samir Bro has sent a chart. Let's have a look at this chart here. So looking at gold, he says 15-minute first attempt, manage breaks high, 1% entry, dun, 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 stop at break even, second entry, bum, 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 bum. Okay. He's looking at sell again, first entry, third attempt. Ooh, third trade of the day. Okay. 50% secure, second entry. Okay. Pretty good. Gold sells. He worked out gold sells. Amazing. And looks like gold is pushing up right now. Yeah. All right, now pound yen is doing something interesting here. You know what's happening? The previous 15-minute candle was the first 15-minute candle that actually successfully closed above 156.85, and the current 15-minute candle is retracing pretty hard. So if there's going to be a fake out happening, that means if the candles are trying to push down, well, we might catch that sell, a fake out trade. But if I'm going to take a fake out trade, man, that's going to be with very less risk, just for the market, I would say price action practice and price action execution, but it does look like that could happen. So we are still waiting. Obviously, buys may play out as well as all right, so the previous 5-minute candle engulfed this 5-minute candle, and we are 38 minutes in the market. So this is hardcore volume time. Maybe in the next 10 to 15 minutes, we are going to see that push in one of these directions. So I'm patiently waiting here. Patiently waiting. And gold is pumping up. After the news release, it's pumping up, which is logical, right? So if the US dollar's performing bad, well, gold should be pumping up. Let's see. All right, so the 5-minute has made another support here, a clear support. Yeah. So I haven't taken any position yet. haven't taken any position yet. $18 more minutes left for this 2-hour candle to close. The 2-hour candle close is going to be something significant. Actually, that's 4-hour candle close as well. So just have to see how the 4-hour candle is going to close. It's actually going to be interesting if it's actually going to reject the top. As we said, as I'm looking for a possible fake out opportunity as well, I might execute on it. So waiting for the candle close. Waiting for 3 more minutes.
GA 15-minute candle is so long.
Ooh, GA did something similar. Look at this. GA did a fake out. This candle pushed up, and the next candle just engulfed whatever happened. Just corrected whatever happened before. Amazing. But on the other hand, GU looking pretty bullish. GU is looking bullish.
In the this unemployment sort of news, if the candle is pushing in one direction, it's push until it's that effect of the news over.
Well, can't say exactly what happens after the news release, but usually what happens is, I will tell you this, right? Now, the New York market has seen the news.
Yep.
Only the New York market, right? So New York banks have seen the news. But what about the stock exchange? So in the next exactly 45 minutes, we have NYSE open. And NYSE is the New York Stock Exchange. That's the biggest stock exchange out there. So if the New York Stock Exchange is going to absorb that news, there's going to be another wave of orders, another wave of reaction from the market. And we exactly don't know how gold's going to push. Not sure, not 100%. But what I'm going to tell you is, if the market is going to push up after all, the NYSE is not going to be happy about the price. Maybe they're going to retrace the candles a little bit before driving up. And if that's going to happen, well, that's going to happen. You know, am I going to take a buy? Well, maybe no. Because it's too volatile at that point in time. And maybe it's hard to catch. Especially because we don't know how the NYSE is going to react, right? Maybe buys above, I would say, let's see. On gold, buys above this area right here could make sense. So that is 1734.60. Buys above that level could make sense, to be honest. Ooh, all right, so the pound yen has done almost like engulfing price action here. We are 45 minutes in the market right now. So oftentimes we see decisive movements around this time, if not now, around NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange hours. And we have this funny Chicago PMI. I don't know what that is. I honestly don't know what that is. All right, so yeah, interesting. The last day of the month, and the guys are already calling it a week. I mean, it's Thursday, and I'm expecting Thursday volume. That's why I'm here. Now, around the end of the month, I usually call it a day. I'm like, hey, man, you know what? It's all right, and I just take it easy. I just enjoy a little bit. But since it's Thursday, I'm kind of being laser focused too, just in case if I catch any volume trade. All right, so we are 48 minutes in the market and just chilling around right now. Nothing interesting. Gold's moved up with the news sort of effect. If it's pushing up, we might see some sort of support forming here. So kind of waiting a little bit more. And a pound yen trade was the trade of the day. Whoever took it, man, amazing, worked it out. On a normal day, I would have taken it, but yeah. Hourly candle closing in the next 10 minutes. It's actually interesting for me to see how the hourly candle is going to close, because this is the close of the 4-hour candle as well. So it's going to be interesting in the next 10 minutes what exactly is going to happen. All right, so we are 7 minutes away from this hourly candle, 4-hour candle to close, and still interesting. The market is still interesting. Waiting. Is it going to be a sell or a buy that I'm going to take? Just waiting to see. Until then, we're going to try this GeoGuessr, our motives suggestion for free, I would say, leisure time, right? So
retail trader also play important role to change price, right? The retail trader thought.
True. That is true. That is true, Sabine. That's actually true.
This is Bangladesh.
I think it's somewhere in South America.
Oh.
Yeah, somewhere in South Africa. South America. What do you think this is, Sabine?
Maybe. Oh, this is not Bangladesh. Yeah, maybe South America. Then maybe words are like Spanish, Portuguese languages like this, right?
Yeah, exactly. Let's go with Perigue. All right, so we there. Bang. Ooh, okay, so very close.
Oh.
Only 5,000 kilometers away. It's okay. Close.
Maybe five times of Melbourne and Sydney.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, gold is starting to push up here. Oh, wow. Look at the gold 4-hour candle. Look at the rejection off of the channel. And look at the size of the wick. If that liquidity grab is for real, it should be pumping up. Yeah, maybe this is the target right here. Oh, wow. Yep, a lot of volume with unemployment claims. As we talked about last time, it moved 200 pips. 200 pips. So it has moved in about 60 pips already. Let's see how far it's going to move.
Maybe reach that 1738.
Yep, it's going to hit that. Look at the style it's moving in. Wow.
Like poop, right?
Yeah. All right.
Like.
Yep, 1738.20 is going to get hit here.
Do you know that crossfire bike like that? Boop, boop,
yeah.
Big pickup.
Exactly. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh, 1738.20. All right, we're gonna hit that. 1738.20. Yeah, last time I took this unemployment claim trade, man, it moved like 200 pips. It has moved like pretty much already.
And you secured 200 pip?
No, I couldn't. It stopped me out. Actually, it didn't stop me out. I closed in 3 pips in profit because I hold it for too long, and it moved 200 pips after. Oh, wow. Look at this. 1738.20 is going to get hit here. Amazing.
Maybe GJ itself don't know where to move up and down, where to
Yeah,
go.
that's right. That's right. Oh, wow. Pound AUD is rejecting the top. Pound AUD has a higher chance of pushing down than anything else. All right. All right, so the 4-hour candle is coming to a close, and 4-hour candle closed bullish with a wick on the top, showing signs of continuation here. But the rejection wick on the top is pretty hard, especially on the hourly reference. The wick is longer than the body, showing some bearish pressure. All right, so there is a chance candles could actually push down. 30-minute candle closed bearish with a wick on the downside. Yeah. So more than likely, GJ is pushing down here. 15-minute candle looks like there's a support, but not sure if the support is going to be held here, because the rejection from the top is pretty hard. So my bias was buy, but at this point in time, I'm looking for sell. And gold is pumping up. Pound USD is rejecting the top, making resistance. Pound AUD looks pretty good. Gold, yep, gold is gonna hit that now. 1738.20 has been hit already, and more than likely it's gonna hit this 1745.30 now. 1745.30 is the target. Let's see, is pound yen going to push up? See if that's going to happen. Pound yen, is pound yen going to push up? Oh, wow. Our hourly candle has made it low at this point in time. This hourly candle is slowly pushing up, which is good. Gold is pumping up. Wow. Our pound yen is actually still looking good for buys here. Pound yen. Good for buy. Gold is retracing at this point in time, maybe to grab its liquidity from the bottom for NYSE, because the NYSE is not going to be happy about that price, for sure. Gold is retracing more than likely. This could be one of the retracement points here, 1734.60. Another point could be 1732.70. 1732.70. So 2 retracement points, potential retest points. And it could shoot up later, all the way up till 1745.30 after the news release. Wow, moved up 100 pips already. Oh, no, sorry. Oh, yeah, 100 pips after the news release. 100 pips. In the next 25 minutes, we are going to experience NYSE volume. Very interesting how NYSE is going to cause gold's price action, right? Is it going to pull it all the way down, then push up later? Or is it just going to shoot up? Interesting to see. All right, so I'm keeping my bias a little flexible here with pound yen. Trying to see how this hourly candles first. The first 15-minute candle. I was actually waiting for 15-minute candle to flip, and 15-minute candle was flipping pretty hard. I'm actually thinking about buys on the break of the high and stop loss in about 12 pips. Back in the range, expecting the candles to fill the wick and push up. So let's see what's going to happen if the NYSE market is going to do something like that. Let's see. Just waiting. Was waiting for a fake out, and the fake out never happened. Fake out never happened. See? Right, keeping my bias flexible, buying chances above the break of the high, selling chances if the candles close below 156.85, showing me a bearish pressure and telling me that, hey, you know what, whatever happened on the top was only a liquidity grab. So, I mean, a lot of traders will not understand the idea that, hey, this trader is keeping his bias flexible. He's keeping two biases and he's trying to scale into both. I'm not going to take a buy and a sell together, but it kind of makes sense if this candle closes bearish below 156.85. On the break of that candle, I will definitely take a sell, ignoring the left-hand side traffic. I would expect the candles to move down, telling myself that, hey, this is a liquidity grab. If the candles are going to move up after rejecting 156.85, breaking the high, that is going to be a buying chance as well. So at this point in time, just flexible. Pretty flexible. Beautiful. Trying to take a sell only after the candles close below 156.85. A very flexible bias. If I will execute a sell, that's going to be a market liquidation sort of an idea on the top, and expecting the candles to move down with the higher time frame sort of a perspective, higher time frame sort of a point of view, but I may get stopped out. So this is going to be a less risk trade. That's it. We are 16 minutes away from the market open, and the market's just hanging around. See, gold is pumping up one more time. Beautiful. Everything is moving. So pound yen is doing something I was talking about. So in the next 15 minutes, if this 15-minute candle closes with a wick on the downside, maybe on the next candle after it makes it top wick and starts breaking the low, yes, that's going to be my entry point right there. Let's see. Kind of waiting here. A scalping opportunity. A scalping opportunity. All right, so the 15-minute candle closed with a wick on the downside. Just waiting for this 15-minute candle to make a top wick before pushing down. So kind of waiting here. Just waiting. All right, so the 15-minute candle is actually looking pretty good. So at this point of time, what I'm actually going to do is I'll actually place a sell stop below the candle's wick, previous candle's wick. That's where my sell stop is. Anticipating volume at this point in time. Let's see. Beautiful. All right. Anticipating the NYSE volume to drag the price in pound yen even lower. Let's see. Haven't activated the position yet. Still. All right. Ooh, activated. Position activated. Let's see. So 12 minutes before the market opens. So at this point in time, my risk management will be something like this, right? So if the candles are to break its own high, if this 15-minute candle breaks its own high, that's going to be the close of half of the position right there. So anticipating candles to move down with NYSE volume. I'm in. This was a pending order placed and activated at this point in time. Anticipating the price to move down after this liquidity grab. This could be an early trade. Could be an early trade, to be honest. See, oh, gold is moving. Beautiful. Still in the position.
It's still 11 minutes to open NYSE, right?
Yep. Anticipating Thursday volume. Let's see what's going to happen. Is it going to be a risk management trade? Well, yep, that could be the case. So what I'm thinking is, if the candles break its own high,
Yep. You close your 50%.
sorry, yep. If the candles breaks its own high, that's going to be the close of half of the position, right there. No doubt on risk management. Risk management is something you shouldn't be hesitating on. Well, I don't hesitate on risk management because what I believe is, if I manage my risk most of the time, if I win, my winners are going to look bigger and better than my losers, right? So if I execute in the market, the idea is execution, absolutely execution. But at the end of the day, I could be wrong, I could be right. If I manage my risk, I have a second chance to play. I can take another trade. So at this point in time, what I don't want to see is, I don't want to see candles retracing heavy, or I don't want to see a rejection on the bottom. I want to see candles pushing down. That's what I want to see. If the candles start finishing bullish, that's the end of my trade. If this 15-minute candle closes bullish, that's the end of my trade. So basically, I'm setting a rules for my trade to see what I can do, right? So if trade goes in the opposite direction, man, I shouldn't hesitate on closing position. I shouldn't hesitate on risk management. Simple as that. Ooh, gold is starting to move. I want to see movement like that in our pound pair. Let's see what's going to happen. 9 minutes left for the market open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some water. So Sabine, if it moves, tell me, okay?
Okay.
Let's see. We are back again. Is this a risk management trade, or is this a profitable trade? Let's see what's going to happen. We are still in the position, ready to practice risk management. Let's see. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. 8 minutes before the market open. Let's see what's going to happen. If the hourly candle breaks the previous hourly candle's low, man, that is looking beautiful. I think I took an early entry right now when looking back into my trade. I think it was an early entry. That's what it looks like. It may push down, but looks like an early entry. Seven minutes before the NYSE. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give my trade 8 more minutes. In the next 8 minutes, in the next 7 minutes, if nothing's going to happen, I'm going to close my position. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to think if I can actually close position in the next 7 minutes. Six minutes before the market opens. 6 minutes. Ooh, everything is moving. Beautiful.
Candle is moving, but in the same place. Yeah,
exactly.
moving.
It's not moving anywhere. That's right.
Mm.
All right, so the 15-minute candle is going to close in the next 4 minutes. If this 15-minute candle closes bullish, man, that's the end of my trade. Because it's not looking good, right? Gold is moving with volume. I need something similar in pound instrument. Pound yen, let's see.
Maybe this 5-minute candle is support. Can we see that?
Ooh, exactly. So want to see candles breaking the low at this point in time. Don't want to see rejection from the bottom. If the candles close above 156.85, I may have to close half of the position at that point in time. Yep, 5-minute is showing signs of bullish posture. 15-minute candles flipping. 3 more minutes left for this 15-minute candle to close. Everything else is moving with volume. Everything else. Ooh, pound USD moving up. Let's see. Is this going to be a risk management trade? Ooh, all right. So the 15-minute candle at this point in time has broken its own high. So here's where I'm going to close half of the position right here. Ooh, retraced pretty heavy. Retraced pretty heavy. 15-minute candle closing the next 3 minutes. NYSE open in the next 4 minutes exact. Two more minutes left for the market open. Let's see. NYSE.
Usually, how many minutes news effect remain in the chart? Remain in the.
Usually it's 15 to 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. A lot of shock effects. But what happens is NYSE could be a little volatile as well at the same time. Our pound yen not looking the best at this point in time, retracing pretty heavy. A few minutes before the market open, looks like an early entry or could be a wrong entry too. Right, so at this point in time, still in the position. 15 minutes about to close in the next 30 seconds. You just want to see some sort of volume. If this is a liquidation, a liquidity grab on the top, well, markets can push down. But if there's a support being formed here, well, this could be a wrong trade, to be honest. 5 minute, looks like 5 minute has created some sort of support there. Waiting. Just waiting. 15-minute candle still respecting the previous 15-minute candle's high. And let's see what's going to happen in the next 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Our previous 30-minute candle closed bearish with a wick on the downside, still showing signs to continue down. But on a 15-minute, the structure is like a clear support structure. So thinking about how I can get out of the position at this point in time, this is the NYSE. If this candle breaks this candle's high, I think I'm going to get out of the position right there. On the break of the high is going to be the end of my trade right there. Let's see. All right, so this is the end of my trade right here. End of the trade right here. End of the position. Well, gold is moving pretty beautiful. Gold is moving pretty beautiful. Pound USD is moving up too. Looks like it's trying to move up here. Pound is also trying to move up. So gold looks like it could actually still push up to 1745.30. We are in the first 2 minutes of the NYSE. Pound yen did not do exactly what we talked about. Well, hourly candle looks like it could actually push up now. If this hourly candle could finish bullish, maybe the next hourly candle could rush through. It could actually move up. That's what it looks like. Simply, that's what it looks like. Around, in the next 27 minutes, we have this news event. Fed Chair Powell testifying. All right, so at this point in time, hourly candle looks like it could actually push up. Clearly push up. Gold is pushing up. And it looks like a wrong trade. I took a wrong trade. So 30-minute candle actually still respecting the previous 30-minute candle's high. Hasn't broken it. It's still a little bit funny. It's still a little bit funny. And yeah.
I'm currently on 50 pips profit in gold.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
I waited for the resistance to be broken, right? I didn't take a trade right away, but the candle that broke it, I went in after the high was broken, and I'm in 50 pips now.
Oh wow, that is amazing.
I'm trailing my stop loss up so that like I'm letting it run.
Yep.
So I am at least securing half, but letting it run. Let's see how far it goes.
Good work. Good work. Yeah, I think that was the trade. Simply, that was the trade. Amazing. make sure you secure something out of the position. Yeah, that's something important.
Yeah, I'm at least gonna say secure like 35 pips for sure.
Yep.
My stop loss is already up 35 pips.
Beautiful.
But I'm gonna let the market run. Let's see.
Yeah, I think the NYSE is just gonna push it up. Remember last time unemployment claims is like moved up 200 pips. So yeah, today
I think today after the news, it has already moved like 200 pips up.
Oh wow! Let's see how much it has moved. So from about here, it has moved in about 130 pips. Amazing. 130 pips.
Nice. Amazing.
Yep, this trade was just like a risk management trade here. Risk management is the key. Was the key. Whatever happened. Well, anticipation of a liquidity grab on the top. Pound yen market pushing down below, doing a fake out. Well, it didn't happen. If it's going to push down, I don't think it's going to push down at this point in time, especially when the hourly candles have flipped. So there is a higher chance it's just going to move up, fuel the wick now. That's it. But I think that's the end of my trades for today. Because gold was the trade. Didn't focus on gold. So got fooled by pound yen. Oh no. Oh, look at pound USD. Pound. All right, pound is moving up. Gold is moving up. Amazing. We are 7 minutes in the NYSE already. 7 minutes. And gold is pumping up. Nice.
What I think in pound yen is this big candle is because of news, and red candle correct the market, right? And now we start moving up again.
Maybe that could be the case. Yeah. So pound yen was actually looking good on a 30-minute to push down back in the range. So in counter trend trade, now when looking back into it, counter trend trade at the end of the month, maybe I should have stayed out of the trade. So pound yen trade, one of the best trade was buys around here, around pre-New York session. That was the best trade. Obviously, we didn't take it. We just called it out. But yeah, a counter trend trade at the end of the month. Yep. So that was my bad. Simply my bad. Now when looking back into it.
So yeah, I secured half at 50 pips and I got stopped out at 35.
All right, beautiful. Something in the pocket. Amazing.
Yep. Well, I trade gold in the minimum volume possible, right? Because of the high volume that it comes with.
Yeah.
So I didn't secure much in profits, but the number of pips I gained today was amazing.
Good. Wow. Oh, wow. Pound yen is moving up. Look at the hourly candle, right? So look at the hourly candle's low wick. If this hourly candle did actually grab a liquidity on the bottom, so more than likely it's actually pushing up, filling the wick on the left-hand side. So this is the next target. I think NYSE is going to tap that level, more than likely going to break that level as well. So I should have focused on buys. Now when looking back into it, I think I rushed a trade here. Okay. So a good experience, risk management practiced. Risk management practice. And we are 2 minutes. Actually, we are 12 minutes in the NYSE already. 12 minutes. And looks like pound yen is moving. Amazing. All right, so the 15-minute candle closed below 1835 is back in the range. So pound AUD seems more bearish than anything else. D pushing down. Gold 15-minute rejected the top. They're slowly pushing down here. Okay. Interesting.
Can we change the time in MT4?
No, we can't. Because it's the time from the terminal, from the brokerage. So we can't really change the time.
This is a brokerage country time then?
Yep. I think it's the GMT.
It's a GMT, it's not the country time.
What is this? I don't know. Alright, now 1645.
Yep.
I think that is London time.
Wow. Gold is pushing down.
Retracing pretty hard now.
Yeah, pretty hard.
It came down my entry point. Original entry point.
Ah. Okay.
But for some reason, I think that it is just retracing and retesting the resistance it broke so that it can move more up.
That could be the case. Oh.
Let's look at how the current candle is rejecting 1736.87.
Oh, wow. Look at the 15-minute candle flip here. In just a matter of second. Wow. The volume's pretty high. On gold, the volume is pretty high. Now look at the 5-minute flipping here. Oh, pound yen is moving up. Beautiful. I'm thinking about a sell in pound AUD, a last final trade. But let's see what's going to happen.
Yeah, pound AUD moving down, eh?
D is looking very nice. The next 10 minutes, we have Fed speaking. All right. Mr. Powell is testifying, and we don't know how long this is going to be, right? So obviously, there's going to be volatility in the next 10 minutes. Well, wow, look at gold flipping, catching all those orders from the bottom. Look at the 5-minute candle flipping. Oh, God, flip bullish and driving more fuel to just go up. Grabbing more fuel to go up. The wick is like a fuel. It can just push up even higher. Wow.
GJ also look like it start moving down.
Yeah, I know. So on YouTube, Anand is saying you took an entry in the previous resistance, now support on the lower time frame. Yes, that's what it looks like at this point in time, right? And 30-minute candle right now is trying to make another support here. So previous resistance, a broken turn out to be support. But I actually took an entry below 150. 685 after the 15-minute candle. This 15-minute candle made a low, made a wick on the downside, showing signs of continuation. Execution was done, risk management was done throughout the trade. I mean, yeah, it's okay. Sometimes it's just about risk management and execution, you know. Is gonna hit that 1745.30 for sure. 1745.30 is just another target for gold at this point in time. Gold is super bullish. After the news, it has moved up like 138 pips, which is pretty solid. Yeah, GJ is a little hard right now to do anything in. So it's hard to say if it's grabbing some orders.
GA is doing really good, pushing down.
GA.
Whoop.
Oh wow, yeah, GA was the trade. GA sells.
Instead of GJ, you have to do exact thing on GA, right?
Yeah, so this was my trade in GJ. That was I was expecting.
Yeah.
GA moved down beautiful. I think GA is going to hit this 1826, 1862, 60. 1862, 60. Yep.
If we see the 5-minute candle on GA, then it's create the support also, right? With testing above and then start moving down.
Oh yeah, made resistance. Yeah. I mean it's breaking. It's breaking the lows, making highs, breaking the lows, making highs, breaking the lows. Yeah, pretty good. GA was actually looking good. I was actually looking at the hourly candle. The previous hourly candle's wick on the top was like a big rejection, and that order had to go somewhere, and it's going down right now.
Yeah.
Wow. Just wow. And GJ is doing something similar right now. GJ is only moving down right. Oh, look at the 30-minute candle on GJ. So it was an early trade. That's what it was. An early trade. Oh, wow. Interesting. All right. Interesting. And the market's pushing down now. You kidding me? All right. Yep, GJ starting to push down here. Oh, wow.
Ooh, look at gold. Pumping up again.
Beautiful. Oh, wow.
Today I took one trade in London session. Not that quality trade, but yeah, I secure 4 pips there. That's it. That's the trade of my day.
Well, what did you take?
Yeah, only in London session, high volume time. In
GJ?
Yeah, GJ.
Right.
It's after closing my position, the GJ goes up at the time.
Did you take buy or sell?
Sell.
You gonna send me a chart, Sabina? I'll have a look.
Oh, it was around. Yeah.
Yeah, looks like the GJ trade I took was an early trade. That's what it looks like. A very early trade. And it's moving down in my direction only now. Yep. Interesting. Yeah, looks like it's going to be calling it a day time right here. Probably we'll just come back next day tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be another trading day here. For now, it's just going to be a calling it a day sort of a time. We are going to call it a day until next time, until tomorrow. And guys, make sure take care of yourself, and we'll come back tomorrow here. Beautiful. So gold did pump up after all. Gold was a pumper. Missed the pumper.
Ooh, look at that.
Yep, gold is
That's,
pumping.
and that's another 50 pips for me today.
Wow. Amazing. You're coming out of surprises here now. All right.
Well, I'm not calling out like gold because it's very volatile. Right? So.
Yep. It has moved up like 180 pips now.
Yep. My TP is almost about to get hit. Like almost.
Beautiful. UT. All right, so guys, I'm gonna call it a day. You guys take care. Have a beautiful, beautiful night out there. Beautiful day out there. All right, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.
See you.
See you.
Bye.